This morning, I saw Izzy nesting or hay stashing. I'm gonna check and see her progress and wanted to bring y'all along too. She's definitely put a whole bunch of stuff in here. We could be having our first litter of the breeding season pretty soon. It's the next morning, and I'm gonna check and see what's going on. I'm not getting too excited, but there is some fur in here, so that's good. She pulled fur. Let's see if there's anything more than some fur. It's okay if there's not. Yeah, there's just some fur. But that's a good start. That's really good. No, you stay out, you bunnies. This is for your sister and your wife. Leah and Onyx are right by me, so in case y'all were wondering. So I'll leave it pretty much as I found it and check back later. But that's good that she's nesting and pulling fur. Are you going to be a good mommy, Izzy? Now that it's your second time, you failed your first time, so now you've learned your lesson and you're going to be much better this time, huh? But don't they look so luscious and healthy? Like, look at Acrobat. She's fully shed. She's done molting and she looks so thick and nice. Don't worry, everyone else. You look nice too. You all look real nice. Except for you. You still have some molting left to do on your hind, back and legs. You look kind of weird. It's a bit later in the day. Coming to check. Still no babies. That's okay, Mommy. Take your time. No need to rush. Okay, it's the last check of the night. Probably aren't going to be any babies, but I just want to be double sure. Oh, look, protective mama coming over. That's good. She's protecting her nest. Let's see. No babies still, but that's okay. So glad she's being a protective mom, or a protective future mom. Good job, Izzy. See you guys tomorrow.